The process of transforming eggplants, aubergines, from farm to factory involves several stages, including harvesting, sorting, processing, and packaging. Below is a detailed breakdown of the manufacturing process. Eggplants are harvested when they reach their optimal size, color, and texture. This ensures quality for further processing. Mechanical harvesting. Depending on the scale of the operation, eggplants may be hand-picked or harvested using specialized machinery. Harvested eggplants are transported in crates or containers to minimize bruising and maintain freshness. On arrival, eggplants are inspected for quality. Defective or damaged pieces are removed. The eggplants are thoroughly washed to remove dirt, pesticides, and contaminants. Eggplants are sorted by size, color, and quality to ensure uniformity for further processing. The specific processing steps depend on the intended final product, e.g., frozen eggplant, pickles, canned eggplant, puree, or snacks. For some products, eggplants are peeled mechanically or by blanching. Eggplants are diced, sliced, or cubed, depending on product specifications. This step involves boiling or steaming eggplants briefly to preserve color, texture, and nutrients. Some recipes, like eggplant dips or purees, require cooking or roasting. Pre-treated eggplants are flash frozen to preserve freshness and flavor. Eggplants are cooked, packed in brine, oil, or sauce, and sealed in sterilized cans. Eggplant pieces are soaked in vinegar, salt, and spices, then packed in jars. Cooked eggplants are mashed and blended to create purees for sauces or dips. Sliced eggplants are dried in industrial dehydrators to produce chips or powdered forms. Samples from each batch are inspected for texture, flavor, and microbial safety. Food-grade materials are used to ensure product safety. Processed eggplants are packaged in bags, cans, jars, or vacuum-sealed containers, depending on the product. Labels include product details, nutritional information, expiration dates, and batch numbers. Packaged products are stored in temperature-controlled environments. The finished products are distributed to retailers, wholesalers, or food service companies, ensuring cold chain management for perishable items.
Welcome to Tech Machine, where we delve into the fascinating world of manufacturing processes. In this episode, we'll explore how okra, a popular vegetable, is processed in factories to meet consumer demand for quality produce. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the production of Okra. Stay tuned for more insights into the intricate world of manufacturing on Tech Machine. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for future updates.